Hello class 5 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So, as per the PT1 syllabus, we have already finished chapter 2, which is information, gathering information. And we have already finished all the portion of the theory, worksheet, each and everything. Now we'll discuss some questions from the lesson 2. So here the first question is, arrange the steps of gathering information in proper sequence. So you already know that all the steps of gathering information, there are 6 steps, in which here it is given not in a sequence manner. You have to make it in sequence manner. For example, step 1 is identify the goal and state it clearly. So this step will be step 1. After that, step 2, analyze the goal and identify the requirements for subtasks. So this is step 2. Now you have to do next all these steps in a sequence manner. So now I hope all of you will able to do this question. Now question number 2. Find the missing step 3 of stepwise gathering information. In stepwise gathering information, here it is missing step. One missing step is given. You have to identify the correct steps. Here the 4 options are given. So here, identify the goal and state it clearly. First step. Second, analyze the goal and identify the requirement for subtask. Same, this question is same as the previous one, but here the pattern for asking the question is different. So here you have to find out the third step. So third step will be option B, identify the information required to accomplish each subtask. So if you have if you will remember all the steps in good manner, then you can easily solve this type of questions if it will come in the examination. Now long type question, which I already told you to write this type of questions during the video lecture. List the 6 steps for gathering information. So already all of you have studied this question. So I hope all of you will be able to solve. Now one important thing I would like to tell you, you will not make the notes of all the questions. If you come to know that this question is will helpful for me, then only you can write. And if you know that I have not studied this question till now, then in that case only you will note down. Otherwise you will understand all the question here. This is question and answer discussion session. Now question number 4. Here question number 4, same. Here a story is given. So a story is, read the story of Subham and answer the following question. So here Subham's doctor is in 5th grade. Though she has interest in art and craft, she hardly finds any time for her hobby during the school days. He thinks that attending a summer camp will be a good opportunity for her to explore different avenues. So Subham began to gather information about various summer camps in his neighborhood. Now he has started to gathering information about the summer camp. So he has to attend the summer camp. So he asked his friends, parents of his doctor's friend, searched the internet and finalized one camp that will teach her clay modeling and painting. Now, here, this is the scenario is given. Now you have to find out what is the goal of Shubham. After study this story, you have to find out, because this is one of the tasks here. Shubham is doing one of the goal. Shubham wants to complete one of the goal. So here, what is the goal? Here, four options are given. You have to choose only one. So here, what you have to choose is what will be the answer. First you guess. So answer will be to find a suitable summer camp for her daughter. So Subham is the father and her daughter is attending a summer camp. So Subham is helping her daughter to find a suitable summer camp for her. So this is the goal title. Now the question, next question, question number 5. Sriram write his poem in different notebooks and sheets. He wants to compile it as a single document. He discussed with his family about it. His mother agreed to review the poems. His sister to help him in typing those poems in word processor. His father agrees to upload and store it in his Google account as a backup. Now, what is his goal? Now, it is asking as per the story, what is the Shriyam goal? What exactly he wants to do? So, here first he is writing different notebook poem in different notebook and sheets. After that he wants to compile all the poems. After that he is discussing. After reviewing by mother, his mother is agreed. After that all the poem is typed in word processor. Means it is all about poem. Means so here you have to choose the best option here. So first one is to engage his family in the compilation task. No, this is not the only goal. To create a backup his collection. No, this is not only the goal. To have a collection of his poems. That is why the first he is writing different poems in notebook and sheets. So this option will contain all the story of this paragraph. So answer will be to have a collection of his poems. Now the next question, question number 6. Karim wants to participate in Green World Drive initiated by his school. His mother suggested to plant a new sapling in their garden. Now he's actually Karim participating in Green World, which is initiated by his school. And his mother suggested to plant a new sapling in their garden. Karim started to gather information about various plants from his grandfather and the book he gave Karim. He went to a nursery to know about their prices, then picked a plant for his garden. Can you tell the goal of Karim when he began the task? Yes, here you can see that his goal is to participate in the Green World Drive by planting a new sapling in the in their garden. You can say simply, so answer of this question will vary from a student to students. So now next question is, give example of gathering information task and state the goal of task. Here you have to choose any gathering information task, as till now you have done many, just like question number 6, question number 5, question number 4. Simply you have to identify one task, make it as a story, and state the goal of that task. This is simple question. Now question number 8. Read the story of Subham and answer the following question. Now again it is about Subham. Subham's doctor is in the 5th grade. Though she has interest in art and craft, she hardly finds any time for her hobby during the school days. He thinks that he thinks that attending a summer camp will be a good opportunity for her to explore different avenues. So Subham began to gather information about various summer camps. He asked his friends, parents of his daughter's friends, searched the internet, then finalized one camp in his neighborhood that will teach her clay modeling and painting. Now question is, this is a story. Now question is, what does Subham do the do to find appropriate summer camp? So here you have to choose the appropriate option. So here out first option is find out his doctor's interest. Yes, he's doing. List the different sources of information, also he's doing. Find the location of camp, he's also doing. So answer is all of the above. Now the next question is, Sriyam is writing poems and want to compile it as a single document. He discussed it with his family. He approaches his mother to help him to review it. He went to his sister to help him in typing those poems in word processor. This story you have already read it out. Now he asked his father to upload and store it in his account as a backup. So question is, what are the different tasks that will help him to attain the goal? Now here you have to find out different tasks. So first one is review the poems and edit it. Yes, this is done by his mother. Transfer the hard copy to the computer. This is done by his sister. Now third, upload the soft copies. This is done by his father. So all these tasks are done in this paragraph. So answer will be all of the above. Now the next question is, Neil wanted to buy a printer for his computer. He went to an electronics shop and bought the only available printer. Later, he came to know that printer he bought is not a good printer. Explain few things that he should have done to buy a better printer. So, some points I would like to tell you that should be uh, he should have asked few people and find out the names of some popular printer. Decide the type of printer that is appropriate for his use. Fix a budget. He should visited few shops to find out the best deal and compare it with online shopping sites also. So these are the probable answers. Now question number 11. Write at least 3 subtasks required to attain the goal of dash. Here, uh, write at least 3 subtasks required to attain the goal dash. Fill in any of the goal listed below and complete the question. So here you have to complete questions. If write what you have to do, you can write find out different. Here if you will choose this one, preparing a chart on different rock forms. One I will tell you, and other for each and every question you have to write at least 3 subtasks. These are the main task. All these are the main tasks. You have to write at least 3 subtasks. So first one is preparing a chart on different rock forms. So for this, what you have to do, find out the different rock forms. For preparing a chart on different rock forms, you have to do first subtask as find out different rock forms, collect relevant images, decide upon the layout of the chart, and finally you will decide which layout is good for you. So like this 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to do. Now question number 12. Karim wants to participate in Green World Drive initiated by his school. As you already read this story, his mother suggested to plant a new sapling in their garden. Karim started to gather information about various plants from his grandfather and the book he gave to Karim. He went to a nursery to know about their prices, then picked up a plant for his garden. Identify the resources that has provided him the required information. So what will be the uh, resources from this story? So resources are Karim's grandfather and the book by his book which is given by his grandfather. So here, and mother also, you can tell Karim. One of the resources is Karim himself, after that his father, and the book which is given by his father. So these are the resources for completing this task. So uh, in today's lecture, uh, till question number 12 we have discussed. So in next lecture we'll discuss uh, from question number 13. So thank you very much.